Paya owacho kanyero ni piny owacho chano mar tiyo kod omenda maromo bilion 1 e gundho ndach reru mabende noketh kod oula madwe mokalo. Oula no nonego ji maromo 70 kanyakla kod kelo kethruok mar reru kendo kelo rochruok mar wuoth kod chenro mag oro mwandu e kind Mombasa kanyakla kod Malaba kanyakla kod pinje mabende oluoro piny Kenya.
We haven't done completely the complete cost, so but it's in billions. You can see, even that this one bridge alone, even if you were to construct a normal bridge, you will not be talking of, I've been told by the engineers, you will not be talking about anything less than $1 billion shillings. So all this is serious, and so they are doing the assessment. You can see even access and so forth. So they are doing their computation. It's going to be quite sizable amount of money. If you put it together, as I told the country earlier, the summary of the bridges and structures that have been swept on the roads is now about 30 billion. That's not to talk about the road restoration. Now in the railway side, you can see it is also massive. And this is only one area, Rironi to Longonot. We are still doing further assessment elsewhere to make sure that people are safe also. We make sure that we provide proper information for people living downstream so that they are not also caught again as the situation was in Piny.